Bonjour tout le monde, welcome back to Montreal Rides. NIU scooters have a way to change the sound of their blinkers. So it's basically, this is the normal sound. Now what you want to do is push and hold to the right and wait for 2 blinks, and push and hold to the left and wait for 2 blinks, and then push and hold to the right again, and it's going to change the sound. And you keep doing that, 2 blinks, 2 blinks, 2 blinks, 2 blinks, change the sound every ride until you get the one you want. So let's check them all out. So those were the sounds. I guess it changes depending on the model. So the sounds you heard were from the NQi GTS Pro 2022 model. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and change your sounds if you don't like the one that comes by default. Ciao.